Hey, we're in Furniture Consignment in Natick, Massachusetts. We've got several pieces we just wanted to show you here. Our showroom is set up ready to shop, but we can't have shoppers because we're shut down due to the coronavirus. So maybe you're at home and looking for some good decor to put in your house. All these pieces are going to be on our website. We're working on that right now. And again, they just came in. So restoration hardware, queen bed. You can see the curled lamp that comes over top. And then I'm going to turn around here and show you a few pieces. We've got another queen bed that's just gigantically tall, and the two side tables or nightstands there along with the lamps also just came in. We've got a 6-drawer dresser, another pair of lamps, and a mirror. All restoration hardware, again, all going to be on our website shortly, which is furnitureconsignment.com. Take a quick break here and I'll show you some more pieces. So lots of beautiful leather in the Natick showroom right now. And I'm going to bring you into a restoration hardware set that again just came in. It's a gorgeous sectional, just butter leather. It's got a chrome base to it. You're going to see that, the coffee table, a pair of side tables that match. On the back side of this, we've got a sofa table, some lamps, and then a beautiful dining set, glass top, nice metal base, very decorative. And a set of 6 chairs, leather with chrome, all at Furniture Consignment Gallery, all getting put on the website right now. We've also got this chest of drawers that just came in right by the front desk. You're going to see that. All available for sale at furnitureconsignment.com. Great prices. We know you can't be in the showroom with us today, but we wanted to show you what we've got. Hope everybody's safe and doing well.